Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change wallpaper in any Samsung phone. If you are using any Samsung phone and now you want to change your wallpaper, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for wallpaper and style. Just tap on it, and here just tap on change wallpaper, and here you will get different wallpaper. You can easily select from your featured and gallery wallpaper, and here's some graphical and colors. Here's some wallpaper services. You can easily get more wallpapers if you want, but I'm going to select anything from here. Here, let's say I'm going to select this one. Just tap on it. Then select on which you want to change your wallpaper. Here's the lock screen and home screen. Just select both. Then tap on next option. And here, just tap on done. Once you have that, your wallpaper will be automatically changed. So that's how you can easily change your wallpaper in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.